It's I, Kitty here, and welcome back to the Christmas Google Doodle Shorts with Kitty. And today's episode tells about that Saturday Kitchen Live. If you've seen this older rendition, we was looking that moment, we were looking with this trend, and the sword was in the stuff familiar, and the muscle soft was recent. We was a winded side. We were the induction was due to it some of the listeners and fin part of the nation, and also due to it, and also being seen due to it in this her, and also in the. Oh no! Wait, none of the fire alarm is here, because I will do the instrument because I will make scary here. Ray! Officers, please turn it on the fire alarm to beep because I was scary as well. Ray! Oh well, it was pretty turned on, so please wait a second. Well, feel that was an interesting a fire alarm that as the studios as well. Because I will not get into the scary as well. But by the way, I will get scary as well. But anyways, that's all it for now. Thanks for watching the Christmas Google Doodle Shorts with Kitty. I will see you tomorrow at 1 p.m. So until then, goodbye. So much.
This is Pack Bruno Toonsing.